We're out here in Canada for Collectopia, and this one got out of hand fast. Right off the bat, I witnessed one of the wildest things I've ever seen. A sequential Holon Phantom reverse Holo Deoxys set flipping for $10,000. Then we jumped into a risky coin flip where we threw in their Darkrai and I matched it with Obsidian Flames Charizard. Winner takes both, no safety. As they went on, the room just kept filling up, energy rising with every deal, and before we wrapped up, locked in a massive purchase, a huge stack of slabs and singles that traveled all the way to Puerto Rico. This one got crazy, so stick around and see it all played out. And GOATED PULLZ!
I know you like this kind of stuff, so you'll probably never see another set again. Sequential PSA 10 Delta species.
Oh man, sequential. That's crazy. Sequential PSA 10s is nuts. Oh my god.
I like you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. How much?
So I've been offered 15K already.
Canadian?
There's one of them that there isn't a comp since like 2024, and the other two are kind of like all over the place.
Bro, I want that for PC. Oh my god. Would you do a trade?
Trade for cash. I have more Delta species 10s at my table there.
Do you? Reverse?
Yeah.
Which ones?
Bag on.
Can you bring it all?
Yeah, I can bring them.
Bring all your reverse 10s right now.
Okay.
And while I'm pumping this, let me bring them over.
You want any super high-end stuff or something
Like what?
you don't see again? Like there's that. 9 out of 10 is like 14K.
You want this for Japan? He said it's 14,000 Canadian dollars, so maybe 10,000. Oh, how about raw?
10. Raw, there's no sales.
You might be able to flip that in Japan. Check.
Yeah. I have some super high-end stuff at my table.
Yeah, so
there.
people prefer only PSA 10.
Can you grade this?
I think there's something wrong with it when I looked at it, but I also bought that a few years ago. I threw it into a
That's very expensive in Japan.
ETB and forgot about it.
Do you know that card?
Yeah.
Let me ask my friend.
Sure. I've had a lot of interest in this already.
Market's higher than comps because there's no comps are
There
old.
is no comps, and it's sequential. It's a one-on-one set.
My big friend is TCG Gary so he collects the Deoxys. Let me ask.
Okay, sure. Yeah, and I got it's like a sealed regionals promo Umbreons or 10 of them.
Hell yeah.
I never see stuff like
Is
that.
that 15K?
15 I've been offered. I want to get ideally
Canadian, right?
Yes, Canadian.
Mark, look at the camera and yell one more chance.
Sorry?
For what?
That's my new company.
It's just like
Yeah.
say 10s.
Say one more chance.
I don't know. One more chance. Canada, okay?
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go. If I took these for myself, PC, you take Wise.
I don't
Like,
have a Wise account. I prefer.
The whatchamacallit is very low. The conversion rate is very good.
Yeah, I know. I'd have to create one. I'd take like.
This one in Pop Series 4 has like a weird Holo version,
Yeah,
right?
I know the Galaxy one. I played during this time period, so I used to open so much back here.
This is one of the craziest things I've ever seen.
Yeah, I've shown it.
You graded
around.
these?
Yeah, last year, about a year and a half ago.
Full. This is a sequential Holon Phantoms reverse Holo Deoxys set.
Pocket Monster yesterday, I sold them at PSA 1 Lovebirds.
Oh, that was you.
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, you have a shop?
In Edmonton, I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
I literally DM'd him. I was like, I want that shit. Sell it to me. He's like, no, I'm keeping it.
Yeah, so it was 1,500 Canadian. I netted 1438, so I got like
So you lost like 60 Canadians.
$60 roughly. Yeah.
So you lost about 40 USD on that.
So I think on that.
It's like 3%.
3.5 roughly.
He loses like 3.5%.
So for 5,000, you'll be losing.
$100, 150.
No, it's like 5%, you said, right?
Yeah. So like $180.
175 roughly. US.
Yeah, he loses like 175
How
bucks.
about I just give you 100 cash, 5,000 PayPal.
I think that's fair. So 5,100 USD cash and then 5K PayPal. $50 higher. Middle point. He wants.
5 or 5,250. How about that? Okay? Not 5,250. Okay?
What's your name again,
I
boss?
want to see these. I'm Danny.
Danny.
I want to see these go to a good home.
Let's go. By the way, Danny, we're working on a new project called Chance. Me and June are co-founding it together. It's gonna be crazy. Tell them about it.
It's about all our socials. We interviewed like 200 of people. Like, you know, we talked about their Darkrai, and they said what's really missing is the fragmented social side.
Yeah.
So everybody will love the Deoxys. They might make a group chat. They can ride along the journey.
It's a smart idea.
And prediction markets, so people can bet on.
What's up, brother? Yeah, go ahead.
Deoxys bet that's okay.
Thank you. Thank you very
They
much.
can just bet whether this will be a live bet or everything.
Oh, interesting.
Adds a gamification there.
It's a Good idea. What do you? How is it gonna be? Is it gonna be like an app?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a web app and a
Web app will launch in the next 2 weeks, and then the mobile app probably a month after that.
yeah, we'll also have a repack, but I mean, the end goal is to serve the actual TCO that's unlike the other crap, the repack of the race, you know? Because the other ones, it's just a casino, but we want to actually...
Utah, give him a chance sticker. It's literally one more chance, but more spelled M-O-A-R. Because M-O-R-E was taken. I got you. And I'm GOATED PULLZ.
Yeah, I follow you. I think.
Thank you, bro.
I'll bring once I do another lap.
Oh, yeah, bring us
some of my
Delta
episodes.
species
Here,
shit.
I'll show you what else I have. Like this, I took a picture of my cage, but I have more stuff that. Yeah.
June, look at his stuff he has.
So I have 10s of those two.
Let me see, can I zoom in?
10s. Bagon and Dratini, or Dragonair.
Oh my God.
10s.
Dragonair.
No, I think I'm good with them.
June,
No.
Dragonair.
If you want
10.
it, no, it's fine. It's fine.
Yes, I'll take a look.
Have a flip through here.
So essentially 10,000 or 10,250 is the flip. Coin flip with Danny over the sequential Deoxys Holon Phantoms reverse.
And best part about it, he gets to keep the guards.
What's your shop name again?
It's Capital City Cards in Edmonton.
Capital City Card. Shout out to you, brother. Coin flip 10,000 or 10,250.
Hey, you want to flip? I call.
I'll throw you a call. So that's heads, that's tails. Okay? I will throw it on the ground for you.
All right, let's do.
Call in the air. On the ground. Call.
Never fails.
He says tails. You got it. GG's. Oh yeah, and can you yell one more chance for our company?
One more chance. Highest dice roll.
Oh my God. I'd rather a coin flip. I already got cooked on dice roll.
I saw you were dice rolling earlier.
No dice.
Yeah, that's coin flip. We'll do
Okay, this is like,
do a good old fashioned, you know? It's okay, we'll only take up 5 minutes of your time instead of 20, like sweaty Kevin.
Oh my.
sweaty Kevin.
Bro, share it on his Instagram too. It's fine.
Actually, let me check this Zard. Okay, ready, boss? What was your name again?
You call it.
What was your guys' names? Roger and
Josh.
Josh. All right. Coin flip with Roger and Josh are gonna put up this Darkrai. I'm putting out my Obsidian Flames Zard. Winner takes both.
Winner takes both.
Who's calling on your end?
This guy, okay? This
You're
guy
calling?
can call it.
All right, heads, tails. Call in the air. Good luck. GOATED PULLZ pre-slab, baby.
We got it.
Yay!
With the GOATED PULLZ.
Thank you, guys. Now, yell one more chance at the camera.
One more chance. Let's go.
What was your name again, brother? Chris.
I think making your video.
Thank you, bro. We're gonna coin flip 80 or 90 Canadian for this. That's probably like 60 or 65 USD, something like that. All right. The video is gonna be confusing. I'm like, wait, is he scamming people with these prices? It's Canadian prices, so we're gonna disclose that. All right, brother, ready?
Like in Japan or
Call in the air.
I literally just opened my stories. I'm gonna come visit. He never did.
That is tails. GOATED PULLZ. All right, 90 Canadian dollars. Thank you, brother. You only want the Squirtle, bros?
Yeah, because I have the other two. Okay, so I'm trying to make my own thing. Is it Japanese?
Right here. We can flip too if you want 140, 160. You want to do that? 140, 160? Flip? What was your name, bro?
Andrew.
Andrew, nice to meet you. All right, flip with Andrew for the Squirtle, Japanese, 160 or 140 Canadian. All right, ready, boss? Call it in the air. That's heads, that's tails. Call in the air, good luck. GOATED PULLZ, no, I won. So 160 Canadian. Thank you, bro. Is there any way you could yell one more chance in the camera?
One more chance.
Let's go. Thank you, bro. All right. So Shane's taking the Burger Chew, 20 Canadian, and we're getting the raw Gardevoir.
You guys need to do a
Thank you, bro.
Somebody in your team.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. All right. Can you yell one more chance?
Open and explode into it.
Yell one more chance.
One more chance.
Showing wrist.
You want to do 0 or 10 Canadian? Yeah. Okay. So if I win, I get it for free. If I lose, I'll give you $10. So I'll give you 20 and give me 10 back. Is that okay?
Can I record this?
Sure. Go ahead. Coin flip 0 or 10 Canadian. We're gonna coin flip for this. 0 or 10 Canadian. Okay. Call in the air. Ready, boss? Heads, tails. Ready?
I was part of the founding.
You got it. $10.
One more chance.
Let's go. Cheers. I just lost. Every time you're here, I lose.
You got a bump Charizard I can
I don't have a bulk Charizard, but I got more bulk here. The only bulk Charizard I can think about is the Vivid Voltage one.
Anything. Non-hollow, anything. Damn, look at that. That's real money.
Yeah, it's Monopoly money.
It's crazy.
Literally.
Monopoly money.
That's wild.
Compare it to USD, bro.
I know, bro.
Can you go one more chance?
One more chance?
Yeah.
One more chance, baby.
Can you yell one more chance?
I've already done enough.
Did you ever post that?
No, not yet. We will. Just yell one more chance. We're doing a montage. We got 40. You want to yell one more chance too? You're gonna be in the collage.
GOATED PULLZ! GOATED PULLZ!
930. I can give you 930 Canadian. Yeah, 930. You paid $3 grand for it? Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
When? Yeah, last comp is 850 USD. You actually paid $3 grand for this? That's still like over 2K USD. Well, when did you buy it? Bro, yeah, the comp is in November for 850.
I got scammed.
I'm sorry, bro.
No, also still willing to buy it?
Yeah, no, I mean, yeah, I can buy it. It's just, it's worth like 800, so like I can offer you 930 Canadian, which is like around 700 USD. You want to do 930 Canadian? Okay, all right. Marcelo's we're gonna flip for this 920 or 940 Canadian. Okay, ready, bro? That's heads, that's tails. Call in the air. Did you see the Holon Phantoms? Call in the air. You got it, 940. Thank you, bro. Cheers. Oh, this is yours.
Oh, it's mine?
Yeah, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, yeah.
This is 600, 700, 800, 900, and then 40. This is all yours, brother.
Thank you.
Cheers, bro.
9:30.
940.
One more chance.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Much love. What was your name again, boss? Raymond?
Yeah.
All right, coin flip with Raymond. 30 or 40 Canadian for the Ethan's
I'm
Typhlosion.
low-key hoping I get cooked here. So
I'm hoping. This guy is begging to get cooked. All right, heads, tails, call in the air. Good luck.
Tails.
GOATED PULLZ! Hey, you got what you wanted.
All
All right, now you got to yell one more chance to the camera.
One more chance.
There we go. Thank you. All right, Danny's back with another big deal. He's selling us Leafeon Level X, Glaceon Level X.
Sequential pair.
Yeah. Oh, they are sequential. These three are going on my PC. Bagon Reverse Delta Species, Dragonair Reverse Delta Species, and this Venusaur's Pop 2, Dark Explorer's Reverse Holo. We're gonna pick up all 5 cards for 2,200 USD or 2,300 USD. Where is the coin? There it is, boss. Thank you.
That's the lucky one?
Yeah. I mean, I've lost most of the time today, but ready?
All right.
You won the last time, right? Heads, tails, call in the air. Good luck. Oh my God. We lost again.
GOATED PULLZ.
GG's. GG's. 2,300. It's okay. It's okay. Canadian, right?
Canadian.
What was your name, boss?
Alan.
Alan? All right, coin flip with Alan, 180 or 200 Canadian. Alan, can you say one more chance?
One more chance.
Thank you.
One more chance. One more time.
All right, Zekrom Japanese, coin flip 180 or 200. Where's my coin? Ready, boss?
Yep.
That's heads, that's tails.
Which one?
That's tails, that's heads.
Okay.
Call in the air.
Yeah, sounds good.
Good luck.
Heads.
Tails. 200, thank you, bro. GOATED PULLZ! Okay, we're gonna start comping this. If we take everything, how much?
Trade me good.
Because we don't want a lot of this, but if you want me to take it all, I can. 11. Flat. Or flip 10, 8, 11, 2.
11, 5.
11, 11, 2.
11, 3. 11, 3.
I think that's fair. What do you think? All the slabs and all the singles, 11,000 or 11,300? PayPal okay, yeah? PayPal okay.
For sure.
Okay.
11.3 coin flip with my friend Arben.
All right.
Cultura.
We're buying all these slabs from Puerto Rico and all those singles. Say movie.
Movie. The third coin flip, 2-0.
We got so many different cards in here. This one's sick, the Tohoku Pika. Bunch of hidden fates. Tag teams, some alt arts. Gengar Trainer Gallery. Evolutions. This is a big one. First edition Gengar PSA 9. Poncho PSA 9s. Oh, this is probably the biggest card. Gold Star Vaporeon PSA 7 as well. And then all the singles. You have the singles, right? Let me show the camera real quick. They're played, but some really cool singles in here. Coin flip 11,000 or 11,300. 1250 US. Okay, I'll flip you 12 or 13 US. Okay, heads, tails. Ready? 11 or 11.3.
Cabeza, vamos.
Movie. Mi mama. No, he's calling it. Call it in the air.
Shout out to Full House.
Shout out Pool House.
Vamos, dale. Cabeza.
It's tails. Give me your camera, I'll show you. Movie. Where's the coin? There it is. GP. I won. Mi mama. Tyler's gonna buy the Giovanni and a coin flip 0 or 40 Canadian.
Okay, you flip my coin?
Yeah, ready? Heads, tails. Call in the air, don't cook me.
Tails.
GOATED PULLZ!
This guy.
Let's go. 40 Canadian. He already said it, but say it again.
One more chance, baby.
There you go. Thank you very much. What was your name? Rachel, nice to meet you. Rachel, I'm doing a montage of people yelling one more chance. Can you yell one more chance? Let's go. Thank you. One moment. All right. Where's the card? Okay. Mr. Twice Baked Jake wants this secret rare Mewtwo. He's going to give us the Umbreon Rainbow Rare, and he's either going to give us 2,100 or 2,300 coin flip. Call in the air, okay? If he calls it wrong, we win.
Okay.
Heads, tails. Good luck. Oh! I'm sorry. You win.
Is this your face?
Yeah.
It doesn't even look like you.
It is me. It's literally a picture of me.
No, the nose is too long.
You want to flip for a coin? 0 or 20?
0 for 20.
No, a coin is $10. If you want, I'll flip you 0 or 20.
Say his nose is too long.
You just beat me for 200 bucks.
200 people, dude. Your nose fits your face. This doesn't even look like you. But do you think his nose?
That's literally my picture, bro.
One more chance.
Cheers, bro. What's your name? Sean. Sean cooked me. Sequential. Growlithe and Perrin going out for 250 Canadian. Thank you. Enjoy.
You with the GOAT? GOATED PULLZ, Arvin?
Yes, sir.
The man himself? Double or nothing, you want to flip? You flip? Actually, can I flip the coin you call?
Sure. You want to use this one?
Yeah.
Hold on. Call it for me.
Ready?
Head.
GOATED PULLZ!
Thank you, bro. Free coin. Can you yell one more chance?
One more chance.
Thank you.
Sorry
about that. All right.
Hey, same thing. So double nothing for this.
Oh man, I'm about to lose 2 coins again. All right, ready, buddy? You want to call it?
I'll flip it.
Oh man,
Okay.
call it right, Utah.
Right, okay.
3, 2, 1.
Head.
Yeah!